If you have potatoes at home, you already have the beginning of a delicious snack. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have 3 potatoes. I washed them with plain water and I transferred them into a pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the potatoes or add water as required. Add salt, mix it well. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and cook until the potatoes become soft. Next, place a pan on medium flame, heat oil in it, add 1 sliced onion, deep fry the onion slices until it turns golden brown in color. The onion slices are fried, we'll transfer them into a small plate. Once I remove the potatoes from the pressure cooker, I let them cool slightly and now I'm peeling them. Now we will mash the potatoes well. Next, we'll add salt as required, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, little chili flakes, the fried onions, little lime juice, some coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, we will mix all this well. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Apply some oil on your palms, take portions of the mixture in your palms and shape into cutlets. Remember, they should be smooth without any cracks. To prepare the slurry, in a bowl add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, add water as required and mix well. This should be the consistency of the slurry. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of semolina, a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well. Dip the cutlets in the slurry and then coat with the breadcrumbs and semolina mixture. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the cutlets on medium flame. Once one side of the cutlets is fried, flip the cutlets to fry the other side also. If you don't want to deep fry, you can shallow fry. Fry the cutlets in batches. Do not overcrowd the pan. And our delicious potato cutlets are ready. Soft on the inside, full of flavor and so comforting. Serve them warm with tomato ketchup and enjoy every simple delicious bite. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.